We're going to talk about a new way to make a great cup of coffee. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, we're going to talk about a new way to make a great cup of coffee, and perhaps you've never heard of this before. What is this interesting looking piece of equipment here? It looks like a plunger. In fact, it reminds me of when I was a little child and my dad used to take me to the barber. You know, they would have scissors and combs and things in something that looked about like this, except it didn't have a handle. This is called a French press, and it's the most delightfully simple way to make an absolutely delicious, wonderful, full-flavored cup of coffee. Now you think, oh, well, Starbucks. Yeah, but what if I want coffee now and Starbucks is 7 miles across town? So that's where we're going. So first of all, 3 simple pieces. You've got your lid with the plunger, and then you have a 3-piece little filter here, permanent filter. No more filters, you gotta love that. And it tucks in, and then you take this cutout here and you match it up. Now, you're like, huh, what? Where do I plug it in? You don't, millennials. There's no plug for this. I'm sorry. I have several millennial friends. At any rate, there is no plug for this. What you do is, when you buy it, you know how many ounces it'll hold. This holds about 4 cups, 32 ounces, I believe. And it comes with this handy scoop. The manufacturer's name is Bodum, and this is the original French press. It generally takes about 2 scoops to make 1 pot of coffee. Now what I like to do is take coffee from my big coffee cans, take 1 scoop of Donut House coffee, 1 scoop of decaf, and then I can have that in the evenings and it won't keep me awake. And now, let's talk about procedure. I heard some of my friends recently talking about the French press, and oh, you pour boiling water in there. Strike 1. If you pour boiling water into this, you run the risk of shattering the glass. So don't do that, because nobody likes that. What you do is heat up your water in a microwave-safe dish like a Pyrex measuring cup. And if you get it right to boiling, then you can take it out of the microwave, let it sit for about a minute, pour it right on. So let me get my hot water and I'll be right back. Here is my hot water. You must pour carefully so that you don't spill it on yourself or your counter. And don't fill it up any higher than the bottom part of your spout. You don't want it to overflow, and you don't want to run out of room to tuck your filter in. So I did that, and you just turn your lid around to where it fits there. Now, simple part is you set your timer for 4 minutes. That's the minimum time to let it, kind of perk. Otherwise, you can go longer if you like and get an even stronger cup of coffee. So back in 4 minutes. Our 4 minutes is up, and now we slowly push the plunger down, and all of the coffee grounds go to the bottom and stay there. How handy is that? And then you're ready to pour. This is a 16-ounce mug, so you can see I'd get 2 good cups out of this, which holds 32 ounces. And just smell it. And taste it. Oh, that's great. Add a little milk or cream and you're ready to go. This is the perfect thing when you come in the afternoon or at the end of the day. You don't want to mess with the coffee pot, which has 50 different modes on it. Just 2 scoops, hot water, even hot water from the sink might do it. Let it sit 4 minutes or 8 minutes to your liking. Slowly push down the plunger and you've got a great flavorful cup of coffee that you've probably never tasted like before. Well, if you liked this video for delicious and wonderful French press coffee, the easy flavorful coffee that you don't have to plug in, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experience with your French press and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Enjoy! So, you put that in there, and you get rid of that mess. All you have to do is just pour it in, and it's going to mix in. You got to pour slow, or you'll... All you have to do is just pour it in, and it's going to mix in. You got to pour slow, or you'll get a little bit of mess on top like I did.